Bustfull Cream. Bustfull Cream. Are you satisfied the look of your breasts and bust lines? Are you suffering from lack of confidence to show off your cleavage? Are your boobs not firm enough? Are they too small to get attention from men? If yes, you can choose Bustfull Cream. It is your simple solution to all the issues related to your breasts. What is Bustfull Cream? Bustfull Cream is a natural herbal product prepared from all natural ingredients. It contains no chemical or other harmful elements. It is highly powerful in lifting up the breasts by reviving the skin support system. Regular use can help you develop your breasts and aids in strengthening muscles and the ligament structure around the circumference of the bust area. Bustfull Cream has the power to make your boobs more firm, intact and uplifted. You are sure to get rid of the wrinkles and stretch marks in your breasts. Why should you use Bustfull Cream? There is a significant number of breast-shaping creams introduced in the market. A vast majority of these creams promises to enlarge the breasts of women. However, many of these end with a tragic result. Only a few actually work to give your breasts a proper shape and an attractive look. Bustfull Cream is one of the most among these. Prepared from all natural ingredients, this herbal product helps you enlarge your breasts, giving these a proper symmetrical shape. This is why it is very popular among Indian women. Manufactured and marketed by Shivalik Herbals, this herbal cream is getting increasing attention across the globe. The reasons for its popularity: it is a herbal product, it is prepared from all natural ingredients. This is why it has no side effect on your body. You can buy easily online or over the counter. Lifts up and develops sagging breasts. The price the cheaper than breast shaping creams. Increases breast size up to 2 cup sizes, makes your breast firm and perky, improves your skin texture, ligament structure, reduces wrinkles, removes asymmetry, lifts and tightens your breasts, adds volume and ensures firmness, gives you more confidence to show off your cleavage. You get enough attention from men. Safe alternative to breast implant surgery. 100% pure and natural herbal product. Bustfull Cream review. Bustfull Cream is prepared from natural all herbal products and natural ingredients. It is completely free from any chemicals. It can reinvigorate the skin support system. This herbal breast shaping product has been able to ensure satisfactory results to the thousands of users. As a consequence of this, many users have rated it the highest with 5-star Bustfull Cream reviews. They are happy with the end results. Many of them have received a notable result and significant change in their breast structure within a few weeks since the date of applying it for the first time. How to apply Bustfull Cream. In order to get the best result from this cream, you can follow some important steps. The following steps will work as a guide for the application of the cream. You need to apply this cream after proper cleaning under a shower. You can use soap for a germ-free base in order to apply the product. Just take a small amount from it. A little amount goes a long way. Therefore, take a very small quantity on your clean hands to apply gently. Now massage the cream slowly in a circular motion repetitively over your breasts with a light hand. Do not rub the product randomly in a harsh manner. Keep massaging the cream gently until it is completely absorbed into the skin. Repeat the same steps every time when you use. You are sure to have the best results. As per the dose as written on the package, the cream needs to be applied twice a daily at least for a month. Within 2 weeks you will find the changes in the size and structure. Not only does it help in enlarging the busts but also brings a moisturizing effect that makes them radiant. Caution: a breastfeeding mother should not use it. You should not take a shower bath within an hour after applying the Bustfull Cream. Women under the age of 18 should not use this cream. Conclusion: getting the perfect shape of the breasts is now easy to attain. Bustfull Cream or gel guarantees you to achieve this easily. It contains all natural ingredients. It is rich in vitamin E and other nutrients. You do not need to go under the knife to a perfect bust shape. Try out for it.